Good evening, students, and welcome to my next video on Total English. In this video, I'll be discussing the answers of the grammar exercises of Total English Class 11, latest edition. So let's start with the exercise given on page 61. This is the first exercise of Unit 4. Fill in the blanks with suitable words or phrases, making use of the words given in the brackets. By the time we arrived, the party had finished. Second one, they had locked the house before I got there. Third one, I informed the man as soon as I checked the contents of the box. The words were inform and check. Fourth one, as we had discussed it on the phone, I presented him my appeal. The words were discuss and present. Fifth one, we had a good rest when our guests left. Sixth one, don't rush me. I am working as fast as I can. Next, she is still waiting to see the boss. You were supposed to use a still waiting in the correct form. Eighth one, you are constantly worried, aren't you? Calm down. This ends this exercise. Moving ahead to the next exercise, which is on page 65 of your books. Please check your answers. It states that fill in the blanks with appropriate prepositions. The first one, the lawyer went into the case. Second one, her shoes were well with her dress. Sorry, her shoes go well with her dress. Third one, she needs to go through the papers thoroughly. Fourth, you must not go with the opinion others have of her. Fifth, his speech will not go down well with the public. Sixth one, the word went around the word went around very fast and soon you will have enough volunteers. Seventh one, the principal finally gave in to the student's request. Eighth one, the bridge gave way as it was very old. Moving ahead to the next exercise on page 66 of your books. Rewrite the following sentences correctly. So the part of the sentence which has a mistake, that has been written in italics. So you have to rectify that mistake and rewrite these sentences. The first one, the question is, if I will have the time, I shall visit the zoo. So will have, there is an error in will have. See, in both the clauses, they have used future tense. So the correct form will be, if I have the time, I shall visit the zoo. Second one, he didn't yet complete his assignment. Didn't will be removed and the correct sentence would be, he hasn't yet completed his assignment. Third one, I shall look forward to seeing you. The correct form would be, I look forward to seeing you. Fourth one, it is high time that we leave the place. Leave. was to be rectified. It is high time that we left the place. I would rather you will stay at home. I'd rather you stayed at home. Sixth, the English alphabet is consisting of 26 letters. The correct sentence would be the English alphabet consists of 26 letters. Mr. Sain is owning two houses. Mr. Sain owns 2 houses. Eighth, if I tell the truth, no one would believe me. The correct form would be if I speak the truth. You were supposed to rectify tell. So it will be speak the truth. No one would believe me. The 9th one, if he worked hard, he would have passed. If he would have worked hard, he would have passed. The next one, there is a mistake in this one. If he would have worked hard, if he had worked hard. Please rectify this. I'm sorry, it's my mistake. You cannot use would in both the clauses. It will be if he had worked hard, he would have passed. The 9th one I am repeating once again. Please rectify it. The question is, if he worked hard, he would have passed. The correct sentence would be, if he had worked hard, he would have passed. The 10th one, your is the best house in the town. The answer is, yours is the best house in the town. Right? So with this, we come to the end of this exercise. Moving ahead to the test paper. That is specimen paper. Exercise 3, given on page 68. The first sentence. The extra work which she took on was starting to affect her health. Her health started getting affected due to the extra work which she took on. Her health started getting affected due to the extra work which she took on. The next sentence is, although he hasn't been working here long, he has already impressed the principal. The answer is, he may not have worked here long, but he has already impressed the principal. He may not have worked here long, but he has already impressed the principal. The third one, did they give any reason for the late arrival of the flight? The answer is, did they explain why the flight was delayed? Question mark. Please don't forget to put the question mark. Most of the students, they don't get marks in spite of the fact that their sentence is correct, because they forget the punctuation at the end of the sentence. So please be careful and don't miss the question mark or the full stop, whatever it is. Fourth one, Sonu didn't submit his project in time and he regrets it now. The answer is, Sonu wishes he had submitted his project in time. Sonu wishes he had submitted his project in time. The fifth one, he inquired of us whether we are going away on the following day. The answer is, he said, comma, inverted commas begin, are you going away tomorrow? question mark, because this is a question mark, and then close the inverted commas. Moving ahead to exercise B, fill in each blank with a suitable word. First one, look for me at the market. I'll be at the bookstall. Second one, the whole family is looking forward his homecoming. Third one, they have put up the rent by 1,000 rupees per month. Fourth one, the function was put off till the next week. Fifth one, the doctor advised her to cut down on her sugar intake. Sixth one, the vigilance cut off the telephone cable yesterday. Seventh one, everyone had an opinion on the subject. Eighth one, he changed his opinion of her after that incident. Ninth one, more government money needs to go into the project. 10th one, the new tax laws go against the interest of the people. Now the C part, fill in the blanks in the passage given below with the appropriate form of verb given in the brackets. Do not write the passage, but write the verbs in the correct order. In the middle of the last year at Sinowa Fushi, we set a target to become. The first one is to become the first island in the Maldives to be completely. The answer to the second blank is completely. Completely mosquito free. We decided to trap mosquitoes by studying. The answer to the fourth blank is studying their habits and creating. The answer to the fifth blank is creating a natural trap. We have installed 500 buckets. The answer to the sixth blank is have installed 500 buckets throughout the island. In each bucket is a little swab that mimics. The answer to the seventh blank is mimics human sweat and the smell of lactic acid. We then mix sugar and baking soda. The answer to the eighth blank is baking, and create a pump system to generate CO2. So these traps smell and breathe like a human being. The mosquito, the answer to the ninth blank was breathe. The mosquitoes are lured into the net and they cannot escape. So with this, we come to the end of this specimen paper. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.